Meaning of goalless.
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 Goalless. Goalless refers to a situation in sports, such as football or soccer, in which no goals have been scored by either team. This means that the game has ended in a draw or tie with neither team succeeding in scoring a goal. Sometimes, a goalless result can be exciting, with both teams displaying excellent defensive skills and creating numerous chances but failing to convert them into goals. Other times, it can be a dull affair, with teams struggling to create any meaningful opportunities and often resorting to playing safe to avoid conceding a goal.